So, do not scare me about human rights. Those guys are genocide. But sino ba pinatay ko? Wala naman akong pinatay na bata. I did not drop barrel just like I'll name them Assad and the rest of the idiots there in. I do not burn women because they refuse to have sex. I simply want the law-abiding and God-fearing citizens of this country comfortable. Period. No, they are not molested. They can go about anywhere in town. The streets are for their children. They should come home safe and sound. That they are not held up, no hold up, no nothing. We will reach that point. You have to remove me as president or pray that I will die in the meantime with no resurrection. Huwag mo ako takotin yung UN crimes. You must be crazy. Genocide. I'm fighting against criminal.